Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Van Center X, showing you today this recently arrived and approved used Volkswagen Transporter Kombi, here in a range-topping Highline trim with 150 PS 2-litre TDI engine and finished in this fabulous and upgraded Indium grey metallic paint. Plenty to enjoy with this vehicle, with key equipment highlights including these stylish headlights featuring daytime running lights, and when visibility drops there are even front and rear fog lights, whilst around the side 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels will cut through the paint beautifully. In the rear the story is no different, with signature-shaped taillights offering your Transporter a distinctive look, and also the boot space is absolutely cavernous here, featuring LED ambient lighting, rubber flooring and tether hooks. A quick glimpse in the front also reveals a stylish interior featuring two-tone cloth upholstery and twin armrests for maximum comfort, whilst the driver will certainly enjoy this leather-up multifunction steering wheel. There is a digital speedometer on offer with a host of active safety systems such as adaptive cruise control and music and Bluetooth, whilst in the centre the 6.5-inch touchscreen has got FM and DAB digital radio with additional media source inputs, and pairing your phone for Bluetooth couldn't be easier. There is even Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone projection available, with various other vehicle system settings, and music fans will certainly appreciate the adjustable speaker sound system. Helping you park is a factory upgraded rear view camera complemented by front and rear sensors, and down below you'll find easy to use air conditioning with even a heated quick windscreen for the cold winter months ahead of us. This has been a presentation of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter Kombi that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.